Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it.
What are you doing? Hmm? Where you going now? Good job. You need more water?
Yeah.
Come on.
I need more water.
Hold it. Down, down, down. No more? Alright. There you go, Missy. The other white one. Go around. Be careful. This way. That one. Water that one.
Okay.
Alright. Give this other one some. There's another white one. Right there. Water him. All done? Okay. See, my hostess are coming in. They're coming in. Yeah, give the hostess some water. The hostess is thirsty. Thirsty, thirsty. There you go. You gonna get more? Good. Alright. Here we go.
Yay!
Okay, go. Where are you going? You gonna ride on the grass? Go ahead. You got it. Come on. Come on, girl. You got it. No. Hi guys. Today is Friday, so I figured I would start the weekend vlog early. I am washing the sheets on my bed right now. Today is laundry day. Sorry, I'm out of breath because I just came up the stairs. Today's laundry day. I've been doing a cleanse for the past 10 days now. Well, 9. Today makes 9 days since I've been doing this cleanse. And I've lost 9 pounds. Tomorrow's the end of it. Also, my mother-in-law's birthday dinner is tomorrow. So I will have content to vlog then. So right now, I just need to go finish up. I'm in the process of decorating my bedroom. We have a TV now, if I didn't say. And we have stuff on the wall. Like, good stuff, mirrors everywhere. I also have two, sorry, I'm seriously was not trying to make y'all dizzy, but I have 2 mirrors in my closet right now. Let me show you guys. But I'm trying to do like horrible lighting to finish decorating my bedroom. I have 2 big mirrors right here. Let me show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It has a little knob at the top. I don't know if I want to spray paint these black. I'm doing an accent wall in my bedroom, so I don't know yet. Still decided on those. Those are gonna be hung above my nightstand. And I'm washing my sheets. Did I say that? Washing my sheets right now. I'm not doing my duvet. I wash my duvet every 2 weeks. It's the Casa Luna from Target brand. So all my bedding is from Casa Luna from Target. And I wash my duvet every 2 weeks. And then every week I wash my sheet and my quilts, because we use those to cover a lot with. Not so much the duvet, only if it gets like really cold. And I've been contemplating whether or not I want to take the duvet off, because we have the duvet, the quilt, sheets, and I have 2 of the Casa Luna knitted blanket. Actually, I have 4 of them. Let me show you guys the other 2 colors that I picked up for Christmas and fall, because yeah, I'm extra. So These are the colors that I picked up in the knitted blanket as well. This is the spicy brown, I believe. This is for fall. And then this is for Christmas. Now I'm going to show you guys the other two. So yeah, those are for the other. Let me make my bed. And then I'm going to show you guys the other two colors. Okay. So here go the two other color. This is like a beige. That's not beige. Is it beige? Yeah. And then this is the green. That's so pretty. And right now I have the all white set on my bed. So I have the duvet. I have the quilt. I didn't iron this week because I had to get stain out of it, so I started really late. And these are the pillow shams that come with the duvet. The quilt doesn't come with any shams. And then these I got from Home Goods, and then our sleeping pillows are back there. And these pillows are just random throw pillows. I got that one from Home Goods, and then I got these two from the pillow covers from Hobby Lobby. And then at the foot of my bed, don't mind Madison's clothes, I'm doing her laundry. At the foot of my bed, I just have these Raydon pillows that say, hello gorgeous, hi handsome. I'm going to switch this out. I'm going to switch this bench out for something else. I built this about 2 years ago. But yeah, I had to use peroxide to get out the stain. But this is what it's looking like. Still gotta get lamps. It's just a hot mess. Good morning. What's it? Good morning.
Morning.
So, Matt, shoes wrong. Shoes on wrong. Oh lordy, I can't get past. Good morning. It's Sunday. We are on our way to go get something to eat. Yeah, we're gonna go get something to eat. Figured I'd bring you guys along. My lip is dry and crusty. Don't pay that any mind whatsoever. Oh, hi.
I want overalls like that. So
Put your shoes on. Come on.
I would watch her.
Oh.
Other foot. Other foot. Other one. Ooh, I got a hangover. Oh,
Yeah,
Lord.
you felt it?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Just holding my, like,
felt
if
it
my
when I
head
sat
is
down
not
right there.
held down,
Yeah, you're fine.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't know I had a hangover.
I felt it when I sat down.
I put my head down just now. Woo! All the blood just went.
Yeah. I literally was sitting there and I've been fine. I went to put her shoes on. And all of a sudden it just hit me like, oh.
Yeah, but, oh, God.
It's not like you want to vomit.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know I had that. Oh, Lord.
Mommy,
Other foot.
your butt.
He's touching my butt. He's rude. Don't let no boy touch your butt. Let no boy touch your butt, okay? That's inappropriate. Say, Daddy, that's inappropriate. That's inappropriate, Daddy.
Sure.
He said, sure. You believe him? You believe him?
Listen.
You believe him?
Listen.
They see me?
Yeah.
Okay.
And me.
And you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's get out of here, people.
Yeah.
Where's Jack? Jack is not coming? No. Okay. All right. Let's go. So we're in the car heading to nowhere because Mr. Rob can't decide whether or not we want to cook the oxtail that I asked for, or we want to go and get it already prepared. Which, if we do go, it's like an hour away because it's back where, look at her. What? Oh, hi. So, and then we could either go 30 minutes or 1 hour, it depends. But we don't have a plan. It was all in his head. He woke up and he started throwing out these really, you know, ideas that sounded great when we were laying in bed. Now that we're in the car, we realize that they're just ideas floating in Rob's head and he can't execute not one. So we're just driving right now.
They were your ideas.
No, they weren't. I don't know why you're like, I was just going for that. But anyways, he got me water. What are these?
It's fancy water.
Icelandic spring water. Alkaline. Is it alkaline? Alkaline? Imported from Iceland. They're so cold. I need to drink the whole thing because I am dehydrated. So anyways, guys, if we do decide to go somewhere, I'll let you guys know where we end up. Okay guys, so it's been a long ass time. Oh, is that so it's been a hot minute. We did go and get food. We got food. We went to the outlet mall, and we got Crocs. Destiny got a new pair of Crocs.
It's cherries.
She got cherries. I got the black and white. Rob just got black, and then we got the little charms.
Then he ordered
he ordered a whole bunch off of
Amazon.
because they're cheaper on Amazon. He got 100 for $15, and yeah. And then I'm looking online for her size because all the toddler sizes are like sold out everywhere. So I'm looking online to get Maddie a pair of Crocs for the summertime. But we just stopped here because it's like really pretty out here. I don't know why. This is something. If you can read that, that's what it is. I don't know why we're out here. But yeah, that's what we've done so far. Didn't bring the camera with me. It was in the truck the whole time. And I need to fix my screen. My little phone, my screen protector. It's like lifting up. I don't know why. So I'm gonna have to fix that. But yeah, that's what we've been up to all day. Good morning. It's been a hot minute. It's been a while. It's been a while. You girls been going through it. You know I'm always going through it. I don't know why. But I just figured I would pick the camera up. Start getting into the habit of picking up the camera. I'm dehydrated and crusty. Literally, I'm dehydrated. But that's not why I'm here. I have the toddler. Mad, you want to say hi? Hi. What are you doing, baby? Nothing. Nothing. She says nothing. When she says nothing, she say nothing. So, you playing with Jackson Teddy Bear? I don't know why I repeat everything she says because I'm pretty sure you guys can understand her. Her speech therapist is working with her to pronounce all her ending sounds, like her S's and her T's and stuff like that. She's been doing a good job, and one of the reasons why I know that Madison is struggling in that department is because she's about to be 5 years old and she's still struggling to put complete sentences together, and a lot of her ending sounds are missing and stuff. But as you can see, I have two chairs sitting here. This bad boy came in yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? One of them. I didn't even. Day before? Oh, okay. Whatever she says. She knows more than I do. My living room is a hot mess because I still haven't quite set it up. I still have this whole back wall back here. It's not even painted. A lot of stuff down here is just everywhere. But I finally want to get it together. I really do want to get it together when it comes to my living room. Like that random piece that needs to go in the basement, and this chair that needs to go back down in the basement, and figure out my arrangement for my coffee table. I need to figure out a lot of things, but I've just been like in a funk, you know what I mean? I'm just in a funk, and a lot of it has to do with my surrounding. My surrounding does not make me feel like I want to try. That's just that simple. It just, every day I get up, I'm reminded that I'm surrounded by hatred for no reason. And you know, I try my best to not let it get to me, and I try my best to not think about it, but it really bothers me that I'm surrounded by hatred. every single day when I open my garage door, I have to look at these people's houses, and I'm reminded of all the mean things that they ever said about our family, that we're garbage, that we're trash. And these people have never sat down and had a conversation with us. They've never been inside of our home. You know what I mean? And for people to be that hateful and to go around and isolate my children and tell all the other kids that used to play with them not to play with them anymore, you know what I mean, and just do stuff like that. Even though I'm adjusted to it and I can live through it, doesn't mean that it doesn't bother me. Doesn't mean that some days I don't want to go over there and slap the mess out of that white girl. And that's how hatred is created. You know what I mean? That's how hatred grows in your heart, because every single day I'm reminded that this white woman went around and talked garbage about our family. And when I think about it, it makes me angry, even though I want to forgive and move past. You know what I mean? I just can't let it go, because I feel like our family was done such great injustice that I feel like, but you know what? God says vengeance is mine. Not me. It don't belong to me. So the only thing I can do is forgive and forget and move on and move past it. And don't let these people look at my beautiful fence back here. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's what I get to look out to every day. It's so beautiful. We have a lot of plans for our backyard. I've been going out there and designing it in my head. And I know where I want things to be. I'm also redesigning my kitchen because we're gonna get countertops, but I don't want to get countertops with the base cabinets, not the uppers. I'm gonna leave the uppers alone, but the base cabinets, they don't function. They really don't function for me. And I'm thinking of getting the IKEA cabinets that have the drawers and all the organization built in, and just put those in and then sell these bottom ones that I have. They're good cabinets, nothing's wrong with them. It just don't function for our family. So I'm thinking of doing that before I get countertops and all of that, and then that will complete the whole space. I still have to do shiplap on this wall back here, and then over here I still have to figure out the entertainment center. It's just a lot. Things cost money, you know what I mean? You just gotta take everything in stride. That back there was damn near $15,000 out the door, and in a way I'm happy, because Ginger get to go out there and run and be free. You know what I mean? He gets to be free. But I'm rambling. Good morning. Okay guys, so I'm trying to figure out a schedule for my vlogs. So I'm gonna end today's video like really abruptly and then pick up tomorrow. So come back tomorrow where we picked up where we left off, and I promise it'll get more interesting as the day go on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Even if you try, you